I was a big firm lawyer for the first 10 years of my practice. At those firms, I represented employers. I know how employers and their attorneys think. I know where the pressure points are. That's made me very effective in representing employees in my current practice because I saw an opportunity to make sure that our clients are represented as well as or better than their employer and empower those clients.
I grew up in a small town in Ohio. My mom was a public school teacher growing up. Into high school and college, I worked a lot of blue-collar jobs. My experiences growing up instilled in me the way I practice law. The reason I got into the law is to help regular people with complex, difficult situations.
We really investigate these cases thoroughly and help our clients prevail on favorable terms.
A couple years ago, I had some health issues. I needed a couple surgeries. So I just started calling lawyers, looking them up on the internet, just knowing that I needed to find out more about protecting my rights and what my rights were. I felt a lot more confident after talking to Riggan Law Firm. They informed me of my rights, which was the most important thing that I needed to know. They returned my calls all the time and were very trustworthy and personable. I would absolutely recommend Riggan Law Firm. They're honest and they're loyal, and that's somebody that you want to tell your story.
I've been a police officer a little over 25 years. I was involved in a promotional process with the police department, and I wasn't being selected, even though I had one of the higher scores, more time on, more education. One of the commissioners made a comment to me that I needed to tone down my gayness if I was ever going to be promoted on the police department. Really disappointing when you spend 25 years with an employer and you treat it like that. My first impressions of the Riggan Law Firm were very positive. Russ and Sam have been incredible. They're very knowledgeable, they're very experienced, and they were with me and they were going to get justice. I would 100% recommend Russ and Sam to anybody battling discrimination or any kind of workplace issue. They've been very good to me and have helped me get through this.
We are counselors and we are advocates, and we can help you move forward and achieve your goal.
Every case that we handle is a client story. There's a human element to it, and that's what I enjoy most about employment law. I like to be able to tell their story with a feeling of knowing that they had their voice heard. That's what we do here at the Riggan Law Firm.